Merry stinking Christmas. I know, I sound just like your grandma, don't I? Is that what she says to you? Hey honey, Merry stinking Christmas. I know you're not supposed to get a video midweek like this, but you're getting an extra one because look around here. It's Christmas everywhere. And Sarah and I just wanted to put a little something special together for you. We got 20 minutes before it gets dark. Say hi to the good people.
Hi.
Say hi to the good people. Yeah, he's just eating snow. I got a couple things to do before dark. Do you mind cooking?
Sure.
Okay. I'll put the food over here.
Okay.
So, oh. That's for Kuiper. Kite buddy, on it. There is a stove under here somewhere. Everybody's gotta clean their own kitchen. That's what I always say. How come you didn't sit up here yet? Oh, let's go. Oh, he makes a horrible pillow. Ooh. Ooh. Oh God. Oh God.
I think it's ready.
All right.
Ready to eat?
Yes, ma'am. You need a liner?
It's like instead of a bread bowl, serve soup in a cheese bowl.
Just cheese, but I'll line your hands if you put them up like this. Where do you want to sit, or you just want to stand up?
We'll just sit at the table.
Okay.
What?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
It's nice you don't even have to really do all that work of bringing it to your mouth.
Yeah.
You look hilarious. You look like a little kid.
So do you.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
I know.
Mom!
God!
Oh, can you grab me my wine, please? It's closer
Oh yeah,
to you.
I forgot my Coke. Here you go. Oh no! It disappeared. I got an idea. Oh, that was a bad idea. Here we go.
Hurting of the
that's
white
good.
sea. Okay, thank you.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Great.
Is this like most Christmases you've had? Pretty similar, huh?
Pretty much exactly like every single other one.
Does your grandma open her Coke with a sheath knife?
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't everyone's?
I mean, I'd hope so. It's a little low for my taste. Anyway, hey,
I
just...
feel like a giant.
Yeah, she's a giant. I'm getting kind of irritated. Take a hike. We'll see you tomorrow. And what Christmas is complete without a little dog sledding?
It's too bad Ruby's not here.
I know. Are you ready?
Is it nap time in your dog bed?
Oh.
What?
Somebody forgot to glue the curtain.
Oh yeah, the delamination.
Duct tape.
You know what they say, if you can't duck it.
Don't do it. Oh, it's frozen.
Oh no.
This is my best duct tape. This is a disaster.
What a Christmas disaster.
Christmas is so difficult. See, it doesn't even stick. It's so cold. Oh, I did it again.
No. Looks great.
Good to go.
Okay.
You monster. He's French. Did you know that?
I didn't. I thought he was Bernese.
He's a monster. Got you. When you're ready, say. Uh-oh. Now you gotta make sure it goes the same way around.
This way. Dipper, sit.
Right against you, tightly. Just walking like he's on a leash.
Jesus.
There you go.
Wait, which side are you supposed to be on? This
On
side?
your left. So the real reason I suggested we go dog sledding. There's one more thing I wanted to tell you. Sorry guys, gotta use you. Don't worry about me, I'll catch up. Now we got the right tools, but I'm out of breath.
Oh,
I'm here to show you which way to go.
What are you doing here? Ah!
Kyber, can you pull my snow stick? If I turn your sled for you. There's a whole lot of work to make it snow. Are you taking the snoozer? You happy? Very happy. Kyber doesn't like it! Oh my gosh. Look at his face.
Oh,
That
buddy.
was a good one.
Buddy.
You did a good job. I think you got the best tree. I don't know if you've been out here. This part of Ringworm is called the Couples Retreat.
Oh, how romantic.
Yeah, it's really nice. Just, you know, kind of out of the way. It's a lot of specialized machinery. What you do is you put your hands on this right here, this bar. And I grab this bar over here. And then on the count of 3, all you gotta do is just kind of shake it a little bit.
Okay.
It gets the machinery going. Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Those are good ones.
That was a good one. Hi.
Did you care to sled down the hill at all, or you want to call it good?
I'm good.
Okay, me too, good.
Is that okay?
I've got too many pants on.
Too many pants.
Starting to sweat. Wait, hold on, you're stuck. Okay. We made it. And you're free. Go on. I don't know if you've heard yet in this video, but Sarah and I wrote a song. It's only to be sung in the winter. It's called Too Many Pants. Do you care to tell them how it goes?
It goes, too many pants.
That was great. You did it perfectly. You know, when it's cold out and you're cold and you put all your freaking clothes on, and then 45 seconds later, like, I'm gonna die.
Too many pants.
Too many pants. It's the whole song. Somebody worked up a appetit. Did you know? Did I tell you he's French?
I thought he was Bernese.
Oh ho ho.
Oh,
I'm so appetit.
that's not that word, but
That's
okay.
not how it goes. Real quick, we got to finish a project that's been ongoing for at least 2 years. I brought my lunch with me. It's going to be 5 pieces of wood. You don't need to know what it is. Do you know what it is? I bet a couple of you can guess. It's the last step on the movie theater. You know what? We need my lunch. Since my Ryobi batteries don't work when it's too cold out, got this for I think $5, my electric hand warmer. But I realized the reason I bought this one, there it is. I've been looking for this for years. Dude will not hang out with me if Sarah's here. I'll be on the other side of the property and he'll be sitting right there at the door. Because you love her more, huh, buddy? 1-inch cedar. Is it bombs? Dang, we might have to cut up a big board. Oh, we just searched for 1-inch cedar last week, didn't we? To put the floor on my cooler parking lot. Threw it outside before the epoxy even set. Feels hard now, it might just be frozen though. I think the movie theater table itself is a big piece of pine, right? So we're gonna have at least 3 species of wood going on. How do you know when you've built too nice of a workbench? feeling there. Oh yeah, toasty. Oh, crap. It's a tiny bit too small. Oh. Oh. It's exact. In case you're wondering, no, you can't watch a big screen movie without one of these. Not properly, anyway. You really got to take your time on this stuff. What a dummy. Super glue freeze. I think it's frozen. Try a new one. Come on, don't be frozen. It feels frozen. Yep. Man, feels like a sludge, like putty in there. We'll go put it over the heater and fix it. It's too far away. We'll use the hoodie heater. Make sure the cap, yep, you're right. Make sure the cap's on. I would have thought the freezing point would be like 50 below or something. But what do I know? What is going on? Okay, maybe that one's bad too. Who knows? This is just a quick video I put together on what you can expect from your super glue today. Ah, hallelujah. Okay, now we're cooking. Look at that. Wonderful instant bond. You're never even going to see that huge drip or that crack where I didn't quite get it together right. No problem. Told you super glue is great in cold weather. We're going to keep that for a couple more years. Okay, you know the rules. If you don't get the movie theater up, then you have to hold all the sweatshirts and jackets.
Cozy.
There you go. Would you like some more?
You. Sure.
Have this one too.
Okay.
I'll give you a tour of the new and improved movie theater. I forgot. Do you want me to take the clothes back?
Can never have too many hoodies.
That's what I always say. Okay, you from TV before, you've seen the paper towel holder.
Premium.
Premium. You've seen
Only the premium.
the candy
towels.
and
The
popcorn
tray.
topping and Jiffy Pop container. You've probably even seen the Pringles holder. That's old school. But have you seen... Pause. It's snowing too hard to make Jiffy Pop right now. That's a major problem. But have you seen ringworms? Top of the line. Hanging Coca-Cola cooler. It's done. The movie theater's finally done. Now we can watch a Christmas movie.
Whoa.
I didn't have time to paint this or build it to scale. In that movie.
Oh God. Oh. I know it and I can't.
Back to the Future.
Oh, yeah. Oh, mesquite.
Yeah, this is going to be a Pringles only movie, unfortunately. Oh, hey, this is terrific. I can't reach anything.
Oh,
is it cold?
how cold that is. Yes.
So cold it's got snow stuck in the bottom.
Yep. And what kind of Pringles?
The really hot one.
The hot ones?
The
Hot ones?
The hot ones. Lovely. Oh. Who's in charge of getting the lights?
I'll get them.
No, I insist.
Okay.
You get yourself a
I'll get myself an ice cold Coke.
Coca-Cola.
Wow, look at that.
You've got a lot of nerve talking to me like that, Griswold. I
Wasn't talking to you.
Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
See you on Saturday. Until then, you know where to find us.